Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, in-depth beauty product reviews that help you make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about something that could save you time and money without sacrificing style. Kiss Salon Acrylic Press-On Nails in the Flame design. These nails promise a modern twist on the classic French mani, blending sophisticated dark black tips with a stylish coffin shape. But do they live up to their claims? Let's find out. First off, the set comes with 28 press-on nails in a short coffin shape, a 2-gauge tube of nail glue, a manicure stick, and a mini file. Kiss says their press-on nails feature patented dual injection technology that ensures a snug, comfortable fit and long-lasting wear. Sounds pretty promising, right? But how do they hold up when it's time to actually wear them? I was excited to try these nails, especially since they promised a chic French color with a modern twist. Applying them was straightforward, and I was impressed by how easy it was to get a salon-quality look at home. The glue was easy to work with, strong but not too messy, and the nails fit perfectly once applied. I loved how the dark black tips added a touch of edginess to the traditional French mani. Over the next few days, I put these nails to the test. I went about my usual routine, typing, washing dishes, texting, you name it. And the nails? They stayed put. No lifting or peeling, which is often a concern with press-ons. They lasted for about 10 days before I noticed any wear. Not bad, especially considering they claim to last up to 14 days. The texture of the nails felt sturdy but still flexible enough to avoid discomfort, and I didn't feel like they were too bulky or heavy. I was able to get a chic look with minimal effort, definitely a win for busy beauty lovers. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, these nails offer incredible convenience. The fit was comfortable, the application was fast, and I didn't have to deal with the mess that comes with traditional acrylic nails. The color combination is also a standout, offering a twist on a classic that works for both everyday wear and a special night out. The packaging is also thoughtful, with everything you need to apply the nails and achieve a perfect finish included in the kit. On the flip side, while these nails held up well in the short term, I did notice some chipping on the tips after about a week. For those who are used to more permanent options like salon acrylics or gel nails, this might not feel as durable. The nails are also on the shorter side, which might not suit everyone's preference. If you're someone who loves longer nails, you may want to look for a different style. As for the price, Kiss Salon Acrylic Press-On Nails are priced similarly to other high-quality press-on nail brands. For the convenience, chic design, and ease of application, I think they're a good value. However, if you're someone who wears press-ons frequently or is looking for something that will last closer to the full 14 days without chipping, you might want to explore other options that provide more durability. If you're not sold on this particular design, there are plenty of alternatives from brands like Impress or Dashing Diva that offer similar French-style press-ons. They might not have the same technology or color options, but they're definitely worth checking out if you're after a longer-lasting, affordable solution. In terms of build quality, these nails are fairly sturdy, and the included glue is strong enough to hold them securely. However, as with most press-on nails, there is always the potential for a nail to pop off if you're particularly rough with your hands. So be mindful of that if you're doing any heavy-duty tasks. The glue also made the removal process easier than expected, without damaging my natural nails. I didn't personally interact with Kiss's customer service, but from what I know, their reputation for providing quality products and responsive customer support seems solid. If you run into any issues, they appear to be quick to help with any concerns. Ultimately, Kiss Salon Acrylic Press-On Nails in Flame give you that salon-quality look without the commitment or the cost. If you're looking for a stylish and convenient way to get the look of a French mani with a dark twist, I think these nails are worth trying. Whether you're a beginner or just want a no-fuss chic look, this product offers great value for the price. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the Kiss Salon Acrylic Press-On Nails in the description box below. If you've tried these nails, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Do they live up to the hype for you? Or did you have a different experience? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.